Hello students, so this is writing class and I will talk about writing task 2. This is about agree or disagree. Question is, nowadays young people spend too much of their time in shopping malls. Some people fear that this may have negative effects on young people and the society they live in. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So you can see the idea here and you can also see the mistakes in this task. So please read carefully all the lines as well as all the connectors which I have used in this sample essay. Utilizing prolonged hours at shopping complexes has become common among individuals as it leads to numerous impacts on humans being as well as society. Because this squander means waste their time and wealth on things by alluring from brands. A props to the notion I am in consummate accord with given assertion. The word I am in consummate accord in given assertion is of 7 band score. And points to elaborate the views would be done in the subsequent segments. Segments means paragraphs along with suitable examples. The first is to embark upon. It's a BP1. Sometimes teenagers go to shopping malls by bunking their class and avoiding their studies just for their enjoyment. Even they get allured with some things, which ultimately leads to squander their money. Additionally, youngsters are readily fascinated from other persons without knowing about the outcomes. Outcomes means results, because they try to imitate those individuals who are already astray from their goals and indulge into bad activities in their adolescence age. To exemplify, the example in BP1 or in BP2 is must to get desired band score. You can give one example in BP or in your BP2. You can also give 2 examples in both the BPs. It's up to you. So, to example, youngsters prefer to spend time in pubs and bars in shopping complexes where they do drink and addicted to drugs, which cause adverse impacts on their health. The BP2 is, apart from this, shopping complexes create abundant problems for communities also if they are built nearby the residential area, because people have to encounter several issues. Encounter means face there, especially on festival seasons when individuals create noise and use abusive language with people. In this way means as a result they sometimes squabble with others. Squabble means fight with others for parking their vehicles and stuck into problem, which not only impact their image but also leads to stress on their mind, because some people take this matter seriously, which consequently creates distance between them and their community members. Next is conclusion. To sum up, although shopping mall has become a habit for people, but it should be in limit and people should give first priority to their study and achievements rather than wasting their crucial time on shopping malls. So I hope this sample of 7 band will be really helpful for you. If you have any issue, then you can do comment in comment section.